and about, still take no chat from the sup pussy mouth. Take back the block, give it back to me now.
Boy, when you get up and beg me want kill you know. I wanna turn fish you know. Big dirty bitch you know. Brag for the bread me.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Since Tommy Lee Sparta has been released from prison, we see him drop about 2 songs. And them 2 songs they not even drop on him Vivo because a collaboration with other artists. And even me for this one I say, yo, the man not even can get to do a solo song. The man can't even get to do a song by himself. But guess what? Tommy Lee did just a wait for the right moment to strike. Yeah man, we see him strike you know with a song titled Energy. And the man not just there to take back the black. The man not just there to take back the world. The man a make you know straight say yo, adapt me there for. See some little unscrupulous people, some little youth we say them a run the place and them a run the black and them this and them that. Yo, go sit down one side kawa. The real goes there for run the black again. And guess what? Him is a free man now. See all them police boy there, all them water boy there, where you usually tell him to do this and tell him to do that and go on like see how they want to thump him in the face when in their prison. Won't know I go do no. Won't know I go say no. And that the man a ask. Squash, we also see him drop a song and them a this up some waste man. Some man when I want to work and beg like some waste girl. The man a make a know see you know youth a dead or no I go dead. Popcorn. Right now, we see a man take on a tour. Yeah, man, the man take on a Europe tour and the man make the world know say, yo, you see, Unruly Fest, a London it over the year. But I go talk about them there and much more. But before we go further in the details, now ask you to do me one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also, click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So it is no secret, Tommy Lee Sparta in bun couple years of jail for illegal possession of firearm. Yeah man, a SWAT team swoop down upon him one day and catch him with a matic in him waist. The world did a wonder. Oh, that sounds so. Tommy Lee Sparta, where every single day, every single week, the police them arrest him for something else. Everybody has say, yo, why on earth would Tommy Lee be parring with an illegal gun? But come on, people, we don't know why. At the end of the day, maybe him feel like same life was threatened, especially by even the same system. So him just decides, so watch I know, every day you want to arrest me, every day you want to charge me for something, yeah. But we just get over this. But me just walk with an illegal matic, make them catch me with it, and me just go burn couple time of jail, burn couple years of jail, and the back a road. Now we see Tommy Lee Sparta time, the back a road. You understand? But the next thing we notice, everybody do collaboration with the artist, and me there and me I say, yo, a wagwan. Oh, me not see the artist drop no new song, no solo song where him alone the on the track. But now me I get to understand say all of them song the way him drop before him drop the song where him drop today, it look like say them they did not the making from long time and him just go according to the contract. And the main reason why me say that, and now we don't see Tommy Lee do no interview. And me know if you fact say on stage and them place the goodly call on him management phone every day to get an interview with Tommy Lee Sparta. And I know no interview. We see lad never interview forward up with on stage. We also see the 2 persons were involved in the mic incident at the show in Canada where Valiant did perform. Both of them are got dep on stage too. So we know say with them people that dep on it, Tommy Lee Sparta well in demand right now to get a song from, to get an interview. But the man just keep a low profile, just get back to his fans them, get back to his family, and just get back into society. But now we see the man drop a brand new track and me I tell you, the man now wastes no time from the intro right to the end of the song. The man just go hard and make the people them know what him is about right now. So yeah, we are going to jump in at the track and check out what him say.
Up and about, still take no chat from the sup pussy mouth. Take back the block, give it back to me now.
Yo, the man I make no know saying that they are prison again. He up and about. And nobody feel like say, through the system, catch him for a little while and him burn couple year of prison. He might go forward the road and call up and go on like say, I'm idiot and take chat. Take chat from who? The man I make no know saying still not take no chat from no like a waste man. And you see the black, wanna say one did that run? Yeah, me dey back a road and me dey have to take back me black. And me usually run the place and me still I go run the place. Me will check out some more of the track. Yo, look on the wall there. is a marrow upon that. I wanna think do it. I wanna think go on. Me just slap with a clown. Yo, you see you know like a water boy. Where's the energy? Talk to me now, no man. Talk to me now. But then, when you usually feel like say, you have the upper hand, cause you me lock down in a cell and you can tell me if you do this and you can tell me if you do that. Me dey a road now. You nah work on no shit. What you go do? Where the energy there? Talk to me now, no. You see him look at you where they are and say you run the place and you run the block. The goose there again and me I go take back my black. What you go do? Talk to me now.
Jesus Christ, go sit down. Anywhere we running ground, Sparta.
You see that line here? You see that line here? Me know for a fact say the pastor them nah go love it, and not just the pastor them, but you see the people and we say yo, we are Christian 100%. The people and we say yo, we are live by the Jesus law, we are live by the Bible, we are live by this 100%. Them nah go like this. Because yo, the man we forward and say yo, him my Uncle D man, the real guzzle they have to run the ground. And I go tell Jesus, full prophet say yo, go sit down all on the wire do blaspheme me that youth. Tell me down below, what you think about that line? Because that line, me I tell you as I tell you earlier, the man go hard from the start to the finish. But the line, me know say, it not go down well with enough people. But at the end of the day, the real big track, will bust Tommy Lee, send Tommy Lee to the world. And the song with the man, Real Boss, so him say Uncle D man. So him known for this. Him say worse than this already. But we will check out some more of the track.
Back champagne, papa pour down pa my wrist. Watch the girl, them a tick-tock pa my chick clack. My friend, them na chick.
Yo, that line are wicked. The man I say watch all the girl, them a tick-tock, pan in chip glock. You know what? Me not even go no further in the track. Me I go make sure I say, me pin it in the description. Cause I want to go check it out for yourself. I want to go run it up. Cause yo, a Tommy Lee Sparta, this is the real gozo there to take back the black. So yo, send this song a road. So me will put it in the description so that you can check out the full length of the song for yourself. Squash, as we said earlier, we see him drop a brand new track and the title Live Loud. Check out Peace Side.
Make money live loud. Make money bank out. Make for me man bro.
Yeah man, natural squash intro. I make you know straight up say it's just always the money him a deal with. Strictly money and strictly making his mother proud. Cause yo, that a every ghetto your dream. Now we check out Peace more of the track.
Boy, when you get up and beg me want kill you, I wanna turn fish, you know. Big dirty bitch, you know. Work for the bread, me no.
Squash and make you know say yo, I want do some waste man. Well of beg. And you know say I no lie Mattel. You have some man, them just want power on you because you have little status or you have little money and all them depend is begging this, begging that. Worse when they are foreign. Them no want work. Them come like some big weird me I tell you. See people like Uno squash yet. And nobody feel like say I'm alone. Me hate people like Uno. And people like Uno go the other way for money. And that squash I make you know. We're not going no further in another track here either. I'll make sure so me pin a link in the description so that you can go check it out for yourself. Popcorn. We see the man make a update. And in the update, the man post a tour. And when me see it, me I feel say, yo, Popcorn, as much as all enough people not like him, and as bad as the things them but want to say about Popcorn, we still cannot deny the facts that the man a column in this. Right now, him is one of the biggest dancehall artists out of Jamaica. And no feel no way if Popcorn be the first billionaire dancehall artist. Yeah man, we see the man have a tour. I got tour the whole of Europe. But within that tour, him a make we know say Unruly Fest will be hosted, will be held in London this year. The man take the thing international now. So you know say you know not normal. From time to time, one artist will keep them little birthday party in a one little club up in Florida or up in Connecticut or Atlanta or whatever the case will be. That natural. But Popcorn, I take a festival such as Unruly Fest from St. Thomas, Jamaica to London, England. You think see a little move that is a massive move. This not just for the artists and dancehall alone, but also for Jamaica. And you see things like them, yeah, I will me love. Right now, would I love to see New Rules Festival take on a thing like that. If I don't lie, I think me see New Rules keep America already, you know. Don't quote me on that, but I think New Rules keep a foreign already in America. But yeah, take it to Europe side, take it to London. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. On a reach this far, please me I go ask you, give this video a like. Bless up.
Up and about, still